Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys screen timeout guys. How can we customize in Infinix phone device? Friends, we want to customize guys your phone screen timeout setting. Friends, so how can you customize? How can you set means according to yourself your screen timeout in Infinix phone. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, guys click on guys your phone display and brightness. Then guys click on screen timeout, and friends you can customize your screen timeout from here. You can set it according to yourself. You want in 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 5, 10, and 30. So you can customize this according to yourself. So guys, if you click on guys this 2 minutes, so after 2 minutes of inactivity means after 2 minutes guys your screen will off automatic if you do not touch anywhere. So like that guys, we can use guys screen timeout setting, we can customize it. We can set according to ourselves our screen phone screen timeout. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys.